Yo, what's up? This is Sohail Edits. If you like clean anime edits, you're in the right place. This is my first tutorial today. I'm showing you how I make my ripple effect in Toji motion step by step. Let's get into it.
They'll be calling me royalty. Best to give me loyalty, 'cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me royalty.
If this helped you, drop a like and subscribe. More edits and tutorials coming soon.